Good morning class. Third chapter number 6, safety and first aid. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture traffic rules and road signs. Now student, we will discuss in this lecture dangerous liquid. Student, some liquid should not be handled by children as they can cause harm. Such liquids are called dangerous liquid. What are the dangerous? Some liquid should not be handled by children. Why? Because they can cause harm. Okay, you can take example of phenol, acid, okay, liquid glass cleaner also. So these are the dangerous liquid. So student, these liquids must not be touched without asking an adult. Listen carefully student. These are very dangerous student. So student, and you also must not drink or taste any unusual liquid in a bottle without asking an adult. If there is no label, what will you do student? Never, you should not use it. Never. So if there is no label on the container, we should not use it. Student, if there is different colored liquid in a familiar container, it may be dangerous, like blue liquid in a cola bottle. If there is you can see this is the cola bottle, this is a Coca-Cola. No student, if there is a different colored liquid in a familiar container like Coca-Cola, Limca, any other juice, so it may be dangerous, like blue liquid in a cola bottle, you can see. Okay, so student, you can see there is some liquids safe or dangerous. So milk cartoon, it is safe? Yes. Phenol, no, it is dangerous. D, you can write the dangerous. Glass cleaner, it also dangerous. Acid is also very dangerous student. Juice cartoon, this is safe for you. Cola bottle, but there is a blue liquid in a cola bottle, this is not for safe for you, this is dangerous. Okay, now student, we will discuss safety labels. Student, safety labels are the labels attached to the dangerous thing. If there is any dangerous bottle, so what will do student? This label based on these dangerous bottle things, because these labels provide the information about the hazard. Hazard means danger. Hazard means there is a meaning of the hazard. Hazard means dangers. So these labels provide information about the hazard attached to the things. Okay, student, a journal warning. Have you seen the these bottles phenol? So there is a general warning sign is here. It is used in a particular hazard of the condition which is not covered by a standard sign. The hazard or condition is written below it in the local language. Do not use it, this is very dangerous. So a general warning sign is used in a particular hazard or condition which is not covered by a standard sign. The hazard condition is written below it in the local language. So student, there are the some table list here, important hazard symbol you can see. This is the flammable, you can see the diagram student very carefully. This is the page number 69. So student, this flammable, extremely flammable, extremely flammable means a thing that easily catch fire. Flammable means, understand what flammable means? A thing that easily catch fire. Okay, hazard student, danger क्या हो सकता है इसका? The material can easily catch fire when placed near heat, flame or speak. For example student, petrol tanker, gas cylinder also. These are very flammable, extremely flammable. So you can see these the sign. If you see the sign this, so student, please keep away, move away from these bottles. Now student, you can see this is the toxic, poisonous. This product, the product is poisonous. Leaking, smelling, eating or drinking can make us very ill. If you leak this, smell, eating, drink, so you can ill. So student, you can take example of these toxic or poisonous: furniture, polish, rat poisonous also. These are very dangerous student. These products are the very poisonous. Okay students. Now explosive. Explosive means student a thing that explode easily. For example, the metal and plastic container can explode when punctured. If there is a metal container also, plastic container also can explode when, if there is any punctured, it can be explode. It can be easily. For example, deodorant, hair spray and after shave lotion also. These are very dangerous. You can these sign कहाँ कहाँ दे सकते हो आप, जैसे फ्लैमेबल है, पेट्रोल टैंक, गैस सिलेंडर, poisonous toxic, furniture polish पर. You can check student please. And rat polish also student. And these explosive student, deodorant, hair spray, after shave lotion, so you can check this. So student, if you see these labels on a product, so you must handle them very carefully and under adult supervision only, because you are small children students. Okay, so you must handle them very carefully. Okay, so student, we have discussed today dangerous liquids, safety labels, and some table list some the important hazard symbols. Now student, in next lecture we will discuss safety gears. Okay students, take care, bye.